Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody! Today we're gonna draw Mario, so I hope you'll follow along with us.
Now you need a pencil, a black marker, and some stuff to color it.
Exactly. Let's get started.
Here we go!
First, we're gonna start with our pencil sketch. So we're gonna start with Mario's nose. Right here, we're just gonna do a round nose shape.
Mamma mia!
Perfect. And right behind the nose, peeking out, we're gonna do his eye. We'll do a line inside his eye and then his pupil. Yep, just a line right there inside his eye. That's perfect. That's looking really good. Okay, next, over on this side, next to that eye, we're gonna do another. So we'll do an oval shape, and then a line, and then the pupil. Exact same thing as the other one that we just barely did. Oh, you're doing perfect. Yeah, looks great. Yep, just a little pupil. Okay, right over here on this first eye, we're gonna do an eyebrow. Just like that, little eyebrow shape. And then on the other eye, we'll do another eyebrow. I'm just gonna fix this one just a tiny bit. Okay. Underneath the nose, we're gonna do a bumpy mustache. So right under, just kind of a wavy, bumpy line. Good job. And then we'll do a line underneath his nose to close out that mustache right there. Perfect. Yep, looks great. Now, right underneath his mustache, we're gonna do a rounded cheek and then a rounded chin. So two kind of lumpy lines. One lump, two lump, and then we'll do a third kind of smaller lump and then draw his ear. And a line there in his ear. Another one right there. Perfect. Okay, we're right when you're done with that. Yep. We're gonna come underneath his mouth, and we'll do a line just coming out, peeking out from behind his mustache. And then we'll do a curve, kind of half oval loop back around to his mustache. Yep, perfect. From right underneath that first lip, we're gonna draw teeth. So we'll just do a line through his mouth. And then underneath his teeth, do a line right there for his tongue. Okay, back over here, right next to his eye, we'll draw a line going up to his eyebrow. And then we're gonna draw a curve all the way around. You're doing good. This one's hard, huh? But you're doing good. Yep, perfect. And then a line right there. And then up at the top, we're gonna draw the top of the hat. It'll loop back around. Yep. Perfect. And then behind this one, we'll do another lump. And then a line. We're gonna put a line all the way down here. And I'm gonna fix this because I made a mistake. And this needs to go all the way back down to his ear. Good job. Next, we'll do a little squiggle behind his ear. It's his sideburn. Good job. Okay. Now we're gonna do a rounded shape by his head. This is the start of his hand. Yeah, good job. Inside that rounded shape, we'll draw another little oval, and this will be his thumb. And then just a few lines inside the hand for his fingers. Perfect, you got it? Then we'll do a little loop underneath for his glove. Just right underneath the hand, we'll do a circle, a circular line, a rounded line. Perfect. Next, we'll have an arm come down. And this arm coming back. Is this one too hard?
No.
You want to keep going, or do you want to do something else?
Keep going.
Okay. And we'll keep rounding off this glove. Good job. And then we'll draw some bumps for the fingers. Got that one? Okay, now I'm gonna fix my hat again. So I'm just gonna make sure that I get this right. Okay. Perfect, it's looking good. Okay, next we're gonna move down and do little suspenders right here. Just kind of a loop. Another loop here. Top of his pants. Then his knee coming out. And then we'll draw his shoe. From the back of his pants. Job. And then we're gonna round all the way up. There. And then we'll do a line here for the front of his pants. And the buttons.
I kind of went too far.
Oh, it's okay. Okay. Then we're gonna do this leg back here. The bottom of his shoe. You got it? Yeah. I'm just gonna fix my glove really quick. I didn't like how I did that, so I'm gonna fix it just a tiny bit. And then we'll be all done with our sketch. Okay. And there we have our Mario sketch. Okay, you ready to color? Oh, I think we need to... Do you want to color or do you want to do the outline?
Outline.
Okay, let's outline it. So now all we have to do is trace. Really easy. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows and fill them in black. Now eyes. Oh yeah, you're good. Just outline however you want. We forgot the little Mario symbol on the hat.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put mine in. It's just an M.
Mine looks like he's evil.
Really? I think it looks good. Getting close, we're almost there. Then we get to color them in, which is the fun part. We're almost there. Are you almost done too?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. I think I got all of mine done. And there we have Mario.
It's me,
You did such a good
Mario.
job following along with me, Nathan.
Thanks, Bubba. I had so much fun.
I'm so glad. I hope you guys will come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Deals.